today we're doing a water replacement on a Cummins Isx. There you go. This is your water pump right here. We're gonna remove the serpentine belts to get out the way so we get the water pump in. Okay, so we got we're gonna take our belts off. Tension. This is for a big tensioner. Loosen the belt. Let's move to the side. And then the other one is up here. It's a 15. Loosen it back. You get the belt off. You're right there. We're just putting the belts to the side. All right, so now we're here with the water pump, and we're gonna take off the 4 bolts that hold it in place. There's one right here, one right there, and 2 across. We know the water pump's back to play, plus the weep hose. So we're gonna loosen them. Yeah, we're gonna move the belts to the side. Okay, now that you have your water pump bolts all taken off, all 4, you want to separate it. Put the pry bar in here, push forward, and there you go. It should be coming out. This time you should be able to just wiggle it out, but right on the other side, right there. Voila. Water pump's out. So now we're just gonna get it out from here and then put the new one in. Give me a few. All right, sometimes to get this water pump out the way, you have to remove this tensioner. The bolt is a 13. Take the bolt off, slide the tensioner out, and you should get more space to get the water pump out. This will be in your way, the tensioner. And right now we're gonna take the water pump out. We took the tensioner. Now we should be able to just slide it out with nothing in our way. You just gotta rotate it a certain way to get it out. There it goes. There we go. Our old water pump. Our new one right here. It's leaking. The weep hose, but you can see. Let me see if I can show the play. I'm gonna put some grease right here so that way the O-ring doesn't pinch when you slide in the new water pump. All right, so time to put the new water pump in. So the same thing, it's like a puzzle, guide it back in. Same thing. Just gotta figure it out. Same thing, the same way you brought it out. Please go back in. There you go. Be careful with the O-ring, not to pinch it. Okay. All right, there we go. Always try to start your bolts inside the water pump so that way it goes in straight. I have to get all 4 bolts, you know, snugged in. Now we're just gonna tighten them a little bit. Give them a good ooga doogas. Noise in the background is a skid skirt. There you go. We got that one. We got all 4 bolts in, tightened up, snug. Now we're gonna put our tensioner back in and put our belts back on. Then fill it back with coolant. Change our coolant filter right here. Right there. All right, after you got the big tensioner back installed, belts got it back in. Big one and small one. You're gonna get your 15. Tension this one back. If you have it routed, yeah. Oh, come on. It is routed, all right. There you go. You got it right there. I'll make sure it's straight. Okay. There you go. And then you get your big one. Make sure it's on place. Alright. Tension it. Release the tube. We gotta refill the coolant. Now we're just gonna start it. We're gonna replace our coolant filter too. Right there.